Hi, my name is Neha Choudhary. I am studying in SYB Farm in Shivajirao Zondale College of Pharmacy, Asangam. Today I'll be providing you the information related to our topic cultivation and collection of drug under the guidance of our professor and principal Dr. Nitin Mohire. Cultivation and collection of drugs. Cultivation. The crude drugs which reach the market and pharmaceutical industries will have passed through different stages that have some effect in the nature and amount of active constituent responsible for therapeutic activity. Those stages are to be concerned more in order to make a drug useful to the mankind by all means. Advantages of cultivation. It ensures the quality and purity of medicinal plants. If uniformity is maintained in all operations during the process of cultivation, drugs of highest quality can be obtained. If the cultivated plants are kept free of weeds, the contamination of crude drug can be conveniently avoided. Collection of crude drug from cultivated plants gives a better yield and therapeutic quality. Disadvantages of cultivation. The losses occur due to natural calamities like storms, earthquakes, flood, drought, snowfall, tsunami, etc. Cost of production of crude drug is more as compared to that of drug collected from wild plants. Land, labor and money are required. Factors affecting cultivation. First, altitude. Altitude is a very important factor in cultivation of medicinal plants. Tea, cinchona, and eucalyptus are cultivated favorably at an altitude of 1000 to 2000 meter. Cinnamon and cardamom are grown at a height of 500 to 1000 meter, while senna can be cultivated at a sea level. Second, temperature. Temperature is a crucial factor controlling the growth. Many plants will grow better in temperate regions during summer. Rainfall. For the proper development of plant, rainfall is required in proper measurements. The effect of rainfall on plants must be considered in relation to the annual rainfall throughout the year with the water holding properties of the soil. Next is soil. Each and every plant species have its own soil and nutritive requirements. The three important basic characteristics of soils are the physical, chemical and microbiological properties. Soil provides mechanical support, water, and essential foods for the development of plants. Next is soil fertility. It is the capacity of soil to provide nutrients in adequate amount and in balanced proportion to plants. Next, fertilizer and manure. Plants also need food for their growth and development. What plants need basically for their growth are the carbon dioxide, sun rays, water, and mineral matter from the soil. Now, next topic is method of plant propagation. Medicinal plants can be propagated by two usual methods as applicable to non-medicinal plants or crop. These methods are referred as sexual method and asexual method. Each of this method has certain advantages and also disadvantages. Sexual method. In case of sexual method, the plants are raised from the seeds and such plants are known as seedlings. Seedlings are long-lived and bear more heavily plants are more sturdier. Seedlings are comparatively cheaper and easy to raise. Asexual method. In case of asexual method of vegetative propagation, the vegetative part of the plant, such as a stem or a root, is placed in such an environment that it develops into a new plant. Asexual method of vegetative propagation consists of three types. First, natural method of vegetative propagation. Second, artificial method of vegetative propagation. And third is aseptic method of micropropagation, and it is also known as tissue culture. First, natural method of vegetative propagation. It is done by sowing various parts of the plant in a well-prepared soil. The following are the examples of vegetative propagation. Like in bulbs, it includes scule, garlic; in tubers, aconite, jalap, potato; rhizomes, ginger, turmeric; in stolons, licorice. Next, artificial method of vegetative propagation. The method by which the plantlets or the seedlings are produced from the vegetative part of the plant by using some technique or a process is known as artificial method of vegetative propagation. These methods are classified as cutting, layering, and grafting. The images are as shown below of the three methods: grafting, cutting, and layering. Aseptic method of micropropagation, also known as tissue culture. It is a novel method for the propagation of medicinal plant. In micropropagation, the plants are developed in an artificial medium under aseptic conditions from fine pieces of plants like single cells, callus, seeds, embryos, root tips, shoot tips, pollen grains, etc. They are also provided with a nutritional and hormonal requirement. The images of tissue culture process. Now, collection of crude drug. Collection is the most important step which comes after cultivation. Drugs are collected from a wild or cultivated plants, and the task for the collection depends upon the collector whether he is a skilled or an unskilled. Drugs should be collected when they contain maximum amount of constituent in a highly specific manner. The season at which each drug is collected is so important as the amount and sometimes the nature of the active constituent could be changed throughout the year. For example, rhubarb is collected only in summer seasons because no anthraquinone derivatives would be present in winter season, but anthraquinones are converted to anthraquinones during summer. These are the references. Thank you.